Oh, that is so embarrassing. My hairstylist totally just saw me freaking recording myself. I think this is called growth people. Okay, let me just go get my hair done.
Still to come on the Bad Girls Club.
Oh wow.
Oh, you're recording?
Yeah.
So cute, eh?
A skirt. Oh, I almost fell.
Oh, I forgot to vlog on the way here. The drive.
It's dark as fuck.
Really? I feel like I look like the big marshmallow.
Not too bad.
No way. First day out here. No stuff. Oop, damn. We got Kanisha outfit check. Her. Where you get it from?
Sheen.
Period. Alright. Ray.
Zoom. No. I messed up.
Got this from Wayfair. Sheen. Nike.
What if I left anything on?
Our food now it look ugly. Now I'm posting this.
Yeah, I can see mine.
Wait, Ray, where are we?
We are at Honolulu.
Okay. We at the lagoon. We not going to the beach because it's like bad to the people there.
And the seaweed is dirty. Fish or
I think it's a shadow.
I think it's rocks. I'm looking so slow. Like, is that a fish? Is that a chicken?
Mass spit bubbles right there.
I was saying they spend like hell in this water. Say the beach they tested for COVID because all that spit in the water.
Oh shit. Was it COVID at the beach?
Last time they tested was a couple months ago. They sit down.
Oh shit. Okay. 1, 2. Where are we going, gang? Coil Creator Adventure Park. Girl, we going to Zipline. Oh, oh my God, it's so far. Okay. Oh my God, okay. No, I didn't. No, I didn't. He said one. It's fit check. Okay.
Are we doing where we're from?
Oh, what?
Are we doing where it's from or are you just doing pictures? Or are you just doing looks?
Girl, just tell me where it's from.
Oh, gotcha. This top is from Shein, I think.
Talk louder.
The skirt is from Shein and the shoes are from somewhere.
All right. Okay.
The dress is from Fashion Nova.
Mm-hmm.
The purse is from JCPenney's. And I'm from my mom. Oh,
No.
the shoes are from JCPenney's.
Period.
Wearing this from Shein. All black. And then the Nike shoes. Hello.
So there's been a complication, y'all. We finally made it to the luau. Right, they gave away our seat. They did? Yeah, they didn't even have us on the confirmation. We are having fun. We made sure to roll our eyes at that racist ass lady. She made sure that she got what she deserved for being racist. And that's on period.
Didn't forget you. The ladies of Tahiti just got here by canoes to welcome the men. Okay. Can we hear the men say Yorana? Yorana!
Oh, that is an avocado. Wow. And me, all you see is thighs.
Now it's like black families Hawaiian movement.
Right. Where we going, y'all?
On a sale.
Good morning, y'all. It's our last day in Hawaii. So like I realized I have got no cute pics. I can't see, oh my God. So I'm gonna try to get some cute pics because this is unacceptable. I have got nothing. It's time to say bye to Honolulu. But not just yet, we still got a whole day.
Yeah.
So where are we even going anymore?
It's the flipping here for me. Look at my arm. Look at my face.
You know what? We'll figure it out when we get there. I kind of already bit my food.
Go sit. Maybe. Because I'm gonna end up cursing my kids out.
Oh my god.
That's the
Soleil Plantation. She's so tired. It's the train.
What if I left anything more sense? And you tell your friends and they call your friends, baby, never mind, never mind.
It's the way we quit. Only got 2 done.